From exercise 14E, today let us do number 7. Here, okay, we'll do number 8. Here they give us the mean already given, okay? Mean is equal to 57.6. And the sum of observation, that means the total frequency is given to be 50. Then what we have to find? We have to find the missing frequencies, that is F1 and F2. Remember, the mean already given, 57.6. Total frequency, 50. We have to find the missing frequency, F1 and F2. So what to do? First of all, we will have to calculate the class mark. So 0 to 20. 20 plus 0, we have 20. 20 divided by 2. We have equal to 10. Then here also 40 plus 20, we get 60. 60 divided by 2, it will be equal to 20. Sorry, 30. 60 divided by 2. Then here also 60 plus 40, 100 divided by 2, 50. So like that it will continue. You'll get 70, 90 and 110. So we will do using the direct method. So now you multiply Fi and Xi. So 7 into 10 we get 70. F1 into 30 we write 30 F1. Then 12 into 50 we get 600. Then here again we have 70 and F2. They have alphabet. 8 into 90. Then 5 into 110. So now remember, these two, they have alphabet. We cannot plus them together. Okay. F1, F2, they are also separate because they have different F. We cannot add them. But the other number which do not have alphabet, we can plus them. So what did you do? You add 70 with 600 with 720 with 550. As a result, we will get we have 0, then 7, 8, 9, 9, 14, 6, 7, 14, 19. We get 19. Then we have to write along with this. We write there will be plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2. Then now here also frequency, we have to plus them. 7, 8, 9, 17, 22, 2, 3. Then equal to plus F1 and F2. Alphabet also we have to plus along, though we cannot combine. So now we see, after we solve, we get summation Fi Xi, it's equal to 1940 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2. Then the total frequency N we get to be 32 plus F1 plus F2. So if we see from the question, the total frequency N we get 50. But if we see from the calculation, we get 32 plus F1 plus F2. But remember, this is also total frequency. This is also total frequency, which means that they both are same. So we can write like that. From the question, we have N equal to 50. But from the calculation, we don't get 50, we get this one. So that means we can replace. In place of N, we can put with this value, because they are both meant to be the same. Then this one has no f, we can take it outside. Plus, if take this side, become minus. We have two alphabet, it will be difficult for us to solve them at the same time. What shall we do? Once we transfer it the other side. This is plus, if I take it this side, become minus. So here 50 minus 32 become 8. There 1 minus f2. So we cannot do anything else. Let's name it as equation 1. Then because the mean already given, we can use that formula using direct method. Means x bar, it is equal to summation fi xi by n. Mean, the question already give us, it is equal to 57.6. Then summation fi xi, it is equal to this one, 1940 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2. Then in place of n, we know the total frequency is equal to 50. We have this one and this one as well, but let us use with 50, easier for us to calculate. So here we have equal sign, then fraction. So what to do? We can cross multiply. 57.6 into 50, it will be equal to 1940 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2. So if you multiply this one, you will get, please pause the video and multiply yourself. Pause the video and multiply yourself, you will get 2880.0 because we have one number after decimal. 1940 has no decimal, we can take it the other side. Then this two we have alphabet, so let them remain like that. Then here you can remove this 0 after decimal. You minus 2880 with 1940. Then we will get it equal to be 940 equal to 30 f1 plus 70 f2. So if you see all the number, they contain 0. So we'll divide it by 10 just to make the number smaller. Okay. 940 divided by 10, we are left 94. 30 divided by 10, 3. 70 divided by 10, we get 7. Here we can write divide throughout by 10. If we can divide all 3 by 10, then we can do so. Otherwise, no need to divide. Okay. Now we cannot do anything, but from equation 1, we already have f1 equal 18 minus f2. So that means here in place of f1, we can replace with that value from the equation 1. That means we can put 18 minus f2. So 94, it will remain 94. 3 will remain 3. But instead of f1, we will take from equation 1. We take 18 minus f2. Close the bracket. Then as usual, we have plus 7 f2. Then now we have here 94. So first you multiply 3 into 8, 54, 50, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5. 3 into f2 plus 7 f2. So 94, this one has no decimal, take it aside, plus take that side become minus. Here 1 plus 1 minus, both are f2, so we can minus. 7 minus 3, we get 4 f2. But remember, our aim is to get only f2. So between 4 and f2, we have multiply. Here multiply, if you bring this side, it will become 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 5 will be 4 divided by 4 equal to f2. So that means The value of F2 now will be equal to 10. We get F2, but remember we have to find also F1. So this one we can replace it here. Okay, so you can write using F2 equal 10 in equation 1. We get, what is equation 1? F1 equal 18 minus F2. So we can write F1 equal 18 minus F2. In place of F2 we can write 10. So 18 minus 10 will become 8. So we get F1 equal 8, F2 equal 10. We get what the question 1, that is the N one.